Question. In figure, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE, BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC, BE upon EC. Given D is parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. To prove BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Proof. In triangle ABC, since D is parallel to AC, therefore BE upon EC is equal to BD upon DA by basic proportional theorem by BPT. Now, in triangle ABE, since DF is parallel to AE, therefore BF upon FE is equal to BD upon DA. By BPT, basic proportional theorem. From 1 and 2, we see that their right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side will be also equal. BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Proved. Question. In figure, D is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR, so that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Given D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. To prove EF is parallel to QR. Proof. In triangle PQO, since ED is parallel to QO, therefore PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO by BPT. Now, in triangle PRO, since DF is parallel to OR, therefore PF upon FR is equal to PD upon DO by BPT. From 1 and 2, we see that their right hand sides are equal. Therefore, their left hand side will be also equal. Now, in triangle PQR, since PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, we have proved just now. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Proved.